We first want to start by you just explaining to us financial planning. Like, what is financial planning? Because we hear that term a lot, but maybe we
Mhm.
don't understand what it entails.
Yes, yes. So it's interesting you bring that up because I think there is still this misconception out in the community that financial planning is for the wealthy. Because traditionally, financial advisors only focused on investment management, right? And investment management when you have a sizable nest egg already built up. But the reality is, financial planners today, and me included, we focus on helping the average person, so people like you and I who are small business owners or working in a corporate environment, optimize their money. So, really make the best with the money that they make and make the best decisions for themselves and their families, depending on what's most important to them in life. So, I know before we started the session today, you talked about financial independence, retire early, right? So, some people want to retire early, and we can create a plan to help them get there. Other people just want to put their kids through college. So, whatever those financial goals and life goals, really, because the two go hand in hand, financial planning helps you accomplish that using smart strategies that make sense for where you are in life today.
Yeah, and I love that you say that because I say the same thing over and over again. I echo
Mhm.
that same statement that tax planning should be seen through the same set of lens. It is not just for the wealthy, right? You can
Right.
start tax planning no matter where you are on your financial journey.